removing Google account from Android phone without deleting it is a pretty simple thing to do. So I'm just going to show you how you guys can do it. So if you're new to the channel, make sure that you like our video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future update. So what you exactly have to do is go to your settings. In the settings, make sure that you go to the main page, and in the main page, swipe it down until you see the Google option here, and then you'll see accounts and sync option. Simply go ahead and click on accounts and sync. So here, when you click on accounts and sync, you will be able to go to swipe down, and you will see that there will be an option of Google. So here you will see all your Google accounts. Simply go over the account that you want to delete, for example this one, and then click on the remove account button. So that way you'll be able to remove your Google account from your mobile device without even deleting it. So I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.